Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make glowing text in CapCut PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to make glowing text in CapCut PC. When you are in CapCut, first just add your video to the timeline and then click text. After that, click the plus icon. And then here just you can match the text with the clip, just extend it, and after that just type your text, and here you can change the font. Okay, for example this one, and here you can change, you can increase the font size, and if you scroll down here you can change the color, but it's okay, it's fine. I will leave the color white, and then just scroll down until you see glow. Just click on it, and then here you can adjust for example the intensity 30, okay, is fine, and the range to 100. Okay, yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make glowing text in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.